Hey, welcome to RangeWave. Today we're going to be talking about monitoring options. So I have mine set to off because I use direct monitoring through UA console.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2.
And then here's playback.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2.
When set to auto, you'll be monitoring in Ableton if the track is record enabled.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2.
Notice there's some latency and some phasing issues because I'm also direct monitoring with the console app.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Check 1, 2.
If it's set to in, you'll be monitoring through Ableton whether the track is record enabled or not.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2.
Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.